research and development this morning, and we're going to do the install of the 3-inch exhaust system for the 2022 and up Honda Civic Si. We'll start with removing the stock exhaust system. We're going to start with the install of the front A pipe using the gasket supplied from Thermal. I'm going to slide the gasket over the 3 studs. We're going to lubricate the rubber hanger to allow the probes to slide in easy. That rubber hanger is orientated with a top and a bottom. If you're not sure if it got twisted, you can look and see that it'll say Honda at the very top of it and a part number at the bottom of it. We're going to reuse the 3 nuts that we originally removed the factory part with. We can go ahead and tighten them down at this time. Work the probes into the hanger. Then we'll reinstall the hardware for the dust plate. The next part we're going to install is the Y pipe or the middle pipe, using the supplied 3-inch double compression clamp. We're going to put a mark at 1.5 inches to let us know how far forward to put our 3-inch double compression clamp. We'll lubricate these back hangers. And slide this clamp on the front of the pipe, put it up in place. Bring that clamp up to that mark that we put in. I'm going to snug the clamp down at this point, but not over tighten it because we may have to come back for adjustments. We're now going to install the left and right rear chamber with these 2.5-inch double compression clamps. We're going to do the same thing with that witness mark, 1.5 inches in from the end. And we'll put that mark on both the passenger side and the driver's side at this time. With the hardware facing outbound and the nuts down, we'll go ahead and slide that clamp all the way over. We'll lubricate these rear hangers, and this is the same hangers as the front. So you're looking for that Honda emblem at the top of the hanger. Last component we have to put on are the tips, both the left and the right. We're going to do the install and the alignment. The tips are available in both a polished stainless like you see here or a black ceramic coated tip. We're going to install the polished stainless. Install the passenger side first. We're going to have the hardware inbound with the nut facing down. Get our desired length out with the logo on the outside of the tip. Snug it up, but leave it loose enough for adjustability. We want to leave that clamp right at the very back of the tip. Once the tips are aligned and tightened, we want to check the front clamps to make sure everything is secure. At this point, we're ready to go.